Meanwhile, the U.S. trade deficit hit a 10-year high in October. The U.S. Commerce Department revealed on Thursday that imports outpaced exports by more than $55 billion. Our Seung-jae reports.
With U.S. soybean exports dropping further and imports of consumers' goods rising to a record high, the U.S. trade deficit soared to a high not seen in a decade in October. The trade deficit was up 1.7% on year, standing at $55.5 billion US dollars. That's the highest since October 2008. The majority of the deficit came from China and the European Union. The U.S. trade deficit with China spiked 7.1% to a record $43.1 billion. The trade gap with the EU widened a staggering 65.5% to a record $17.6 billion. Led by shipments of medicine and automobiles, overall import numbers rose 0.2% to a record $266.5 billion, while exports edged down 0.1% to $211 billion. President Trump campaigned on a pledge to slash America's long-standing trade deficit with the rest of the world by slapping import taxes on steel, aluminum, and Chinese goods. However, the deficit so far this year is running almost 11.5% above January to October of 2017. However, economists view the trade deficit as a result of a stronger U.S. economy as Americans are buying more foreign products. At the same time, Americans buy more than they produce, with imports filling the gap. U.S. exports are also being hurt by the American dollar's role as the world's currency. With the strong greenback comes a rise in the prices of U.S. products, putting American companies at a disadvantage in foreign markets. Seung-jae, Arirang News.